Final strike installation. Close the door and make sure that no part of the push-pull base plate is rubbing the strike. If so, remove and reposition. Note: the LKM10K trigger should engage the notched area on the strike. These notched strikes are exclusive to the LKM10K lock series and must be used. Center punch the 2 slotted holes on the strike. Drill pilot holes in the center punched slotted holes. Use a 1024 tap and tap the slotted holes. Secure the strike to the door frame using the strike screws into the drilled and tapped holes. Once in the correct position, tighten both screws and center punch the remaining 3 strike holes. Use a number 25 drill bit and drill pilot holes in the remaining 3 holes and tap with a 1024 tap. Apply thread locker to the strike screws and attach the strike. Remove the 2 screws from the slotted holes and apply thread locker and reattach. Check the LKM10K operation. After completing the installation, please read the enclosed operation instructions and test the functionality of the LKM10K panic device and the door. If you have any questions, feel free to contact Lockmasters at 800-654-0637 or visit our website at lkm10k.com and lockmasters.com.